Hey everyone, hope everyone is having a fantastic weekend. So I've titled this video, my plan on becoming a full-time Forex trader. So I've mentioned Forex, but it doesn't necessarily have to be just Forex, but obviously that's what I started with in, my trading journey. So I've got a few plans that I'm putting in motion currently, and I just sort of want to update the community and the viewers that do watch my content. And in June, it slowly sort of increased a little bit with the viewership and the subscription. So I really appreciate that. Obviously, I'll be uploading this video later. It's actually just past 1 a.m. now, very early Monday morning. But, what I want to discuss is, there are a lot of people that dabble in trading. You can tell that from, the Facebook groups and the numbers of people that are in them. But, the thing that is so, desirable for people is to have that freedom and not have to sort of go into work and to have the trading as the main source of income. So what I will say, what I've been learning is, you might have a system that you've back tested, that you've run on a simulator, you've forward tested it using, like a demo simulator account, and then you apply it in the real world and it's working, but then, there'll be some months it's quite slow. So, and that has been the case that I've seen, for example, this month, um, things just didn't want to move too well. I had a buy trade on the USD CAD that moved a little bit. Nope. I took a sell on the New Zealand dollar that was moving pretty nicely. No, it's now back to pretty much break even. Aussie dollar sell trade, same again. It moved a little bit and then back to break even. So what I want to say to you is you always have to be evolving and learning and developing different strategies for different market conditions. So that's something that I'm really working on. So when I am a full-time trader, if there's something that isn't going to plan A, like the markets might not be trending on, which we've seen. I mean, the euro. I had a friend of mine, Connor, who does the Trade Talk podcast with me once a week. He was in a euro sell trade that's bounced up quite significantly during the week on and the month on, in fact. So he's sort of realizing that as well. So we're going down to the 1 hour time frame to doing a lot of back testing. A lot of videos are going to be out on that soon, so stay tuned. Also, I'm actually looking into proprietary trading. So that doesn't necessarily have to be Forex related. So I'm looking into that as well. Obviously, I'm going to be sharing as much as I can on the YouTube channel. I'll actually be going to Sydney to do a 2-week course with Star Beta. I ran a 1-month trial with them as well in May. And I ran a simulator account and I did okay. And so I'm going into their office for 2 weeks to see what it's like. I'm going to get some training, and then if that goes well, there'll be 3 months or so before our funds are allocated to me to trade with. So that could be something interesting as well. I've also been looking at SMB Capital as well. I strongly suggest, I've just been watching one of their videos actually, so it's SMB Capital on YouTube. They run a New York prop trading firm as well. So I'll probably check them out as well. But I'm just always thinking about expanding my horizons. So obviously the YouTube channel doesn't make me any money, but I definitely want to grow, the channel as much as I can. Am I disappointed with how I've been going this year? A little bit. Again, though, the market conditions, I've just traded the setups that I've seen, and May was a little disappointing in regards to, that was a 4% red month. I was a little bit over aggressive. I was forcing trades, especially this week now. This is my full-time trading week. So another strategy you can employ as well, if you're looking to become a full-time trader, is perhaps, talk to your employer, which I've done, and explain your situation and say, look, like I just worked 7 nights in a row. I worked 7 nights in a row. There was over 60 hours of work. I still do the YouTube channel. I'm still back testing. I'm updating everything on Twitter, on my Instagram. So, you can just adapt things, tweak the roster. Because obviously I would not advise anyone to just, even if you have like $500,000 just to start trading, you're going to blow it up. You could blow it up in a month quite easily and owe the broker money. So you need to be realistic. This has been an intensive sort of journey. I started Forex in November 2015, and I was doing this, I was doing that. I had a small account, blew the small account up with $500 or whatever. Um, and now this has been 18 months now, really dedicated, focused trading, and I'm slowly growing in confidence. What I would like to say is I want to gain some more confidence to size up a little bit where appropriate. So in regards to risk management, adding to winning trades especially is something I'm looking at doing as well. But I'm still on the conservative side of things. I'm still growing my understanding of, good setups and not just jumping in because I have a fear of missing out at times. So I strongly advise you to understand yourself, be self-aware, and don't be afraid to make mistakes, to get knocked down a little bit, because the dream obviously is to just trade from the earnings that you make month to month, and you don't have to work a job. But I still plan on making these videos as often as I can. But again, in August, I'm going to Sydney with Star Beta, a prop trading firm, um, and the training will begin, and we'll see how that all goes. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching again. I hope the strategies helped. Please feel free to get in touch with me. Email address is scott.andrews275@gmail.com. Leave a comment in the description section. Please get in touch if you need. And happy trading. Bye for now, guys.